Hi everyone, it's Phil from Business of Blogs, and today I'm going to be going through Google Sitemaps and the XML plugins to make sure all your content is going directly into Google. So keep watching and hope you like it. Right, so here we are, we're on our WordPress website, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating our XML feed. So, going to plugins, there's quite a number of plugins that do this actually, but I prefer a plugin that's specifically designed for XML sitemaps rather than one that has a number of different functions, including sitemaps. So, my favorite here, and also 5-starred by 2,095 people, is just Google XML Sitemaps. It does exactly what it says in its tin, and I've been using this one for years. It's really got me to the top very quickly. So we're going to install that one, and I typed XML Sitemap in there and activate that one as well. Now, if we go down the left-hand side, you want to go to your settings, XML Sitemap, and this will give you lots and lots of functionality. Okay. Now, because we have a knowledge base and a forum, we want to include those as well. So this is your opportunity to really choose what information goes in there. So for us, tags are really important because we tag our content based on what it is. And then we're going to include our forums, topics, replies, because it's all public. Any testimonials, we're going to include our knowledge base and our portfolio. Quite a lot of information there. You can exclude any categories that you don't want. And because we're going to hopefully be posting daily, you get to choose your frequency of content. So this is basically telling the plugin how much priority to put and how much you need Google to be updated. Now, I'm going to set post to always, so it's constantly rescanning, and I'm going to be putting posts as our #1 top priority here. Our homepage isn't going to change that much, so I'm just going to knock that down. So post is 1, homepage is 0.8. If you've got a blog and your new posts are going directly onto your homepage, then I highly recommend making homepage #1. Click update options, and what that's doing now is that's working behind the scene. And then right here we've got notify search engines about your sitemap. So click on the right hand one about notifying search engines. What that's going to be doing is rebuilding your sitemap. Here we go. So all of these sitemaps have been rebuilt and they're ready to go. Okay. Top one here, sitemap.xml. Okay, this is your sitemap feed, and if you click on it, it will show you every single link and sub-sitemaps, and then you can click into those if you really want to have a look and see exactly what your website is creating. Okay, so we're going to copy that link at the top, and we're going to open Google. And we're going to search for Webmaster Central. This is basically your hub for where all of your website sitemaps will go, where you basically connect your WordPress website to Google. So we're going to click on Google Search Console. So you come into Search Console here, and you're going to click on Add Property at the bottom. Now, I like to have specific URL prefix, so https www.businessofblogs.com. So what that's doing now is verifying. Now, we connected up Google Analytics before. Hopefully you'll see the video. We'll put a link down below. But that automatically verifies that for us. So we're going to go to the property. As you can see up there, Business of Blogs. And we're going to click on Sitemaps on the left hand side. Now, we copied that link from earlier. and we're going to just remove the URL. So it should just be sitemap.xml. I imagine they're all very similar, and we're going to click submit. So let's have a look. So as this is a brand new sitemap, it's going to take a little while for Google to go through and crawl everything, but we've clicked on it. We know it works because we could see all of the results, and you have now successfully connected Google Sitemaps to Google. So as you create content, you don't have to worry about sharing it out to Google. It will go directly there thanks to the XML sitemap you created and the plugin that's working behind the scenes to make sure everything is sent through. Thanks for watching. If this has been helpful, please share, please like or comment, and also check out our website, businessofblogs.com. Make sure you talk to Bob. Cheers, everyone.